Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel RV Chef Life. My name's Jonathan. Today you're going to learn how to make a mouth-watering dinner that's quick and easy and perfect for those busy weeknights. One pot honey garlic pork chops. These are super easy to make, packed with flavor, and you want to know the best part? There's only one pot to clean up when you're done. So if you're craving something sweet, savory, and totally satisfying, stick around while we put these ingredients together and make a dinner that people will be coming back and asking for seconds. So sit back, hold tight, and let's get started. Hey everybody, we're gonna go ahead and make the honey garlic pork chops now. The first thing you're gonna do is pre-season your meat with a 1/4 tablespoon of salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and dried thyme. Right here you can see it all in the bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and mix them all together. Good there. We're gonna season both sides of the pork chops. All right, once you finish seasoning the meat, you're gonna go ahead and set them to the side. Turn on your pot to medium to high heat. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to it. Once you've added the 2 tablespoons of olive oil, what you're gonna do is let it heat up, get very small whisk of smoke coming off of the oil, and then you're gonna be ready to put your pork chops in. We're going to fry them for 4 minutes on each side. All right, I'm starting to get the whisk of smoke, so I'm gonna go ahead and put our pork chops in. Once you put them in, you hear sizzling, of course, but once you put them in, the key thing is to not move the pork chops and don't overcrowd your pan. Give everything a little spot to breathe. And now we can start the timer for 4 minutes. Once your timer's gone off, go ahead and flip them over. Since you didn't move them, they should release pretty good, pretty easily, have a good sear on them. All right, once your timer's gone off, you're gonna go ahead and pull them off, set them on a plate to the side. You're gonna add a tablespoon, good tablespoon of butter to the pan. Turn your heat down. We're gonna let that melt and we're gonna get all the brown crispies off the bottom. Okay, what you're gonna do next after you've melted down that butter is you're gonna add a 1/4 cup of chicken broth and a 1/4 cup of honey. Perfect time to scrape the remainder of your goody bits off. Once your chicken broth and honey go in, go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, or any vinegar if you're choosing. You can use apple cider as well. Mix that all together. Once that's mixed together, that's when I add the garlic. You're gonna do 6 tablespoons of garlic. Once you've mixed that garlic in, go ahead and mix it up pretty well. Once you smell the garlic flavor, then you'll go ahead and turn your heat up high. Let that sauce reduce and thicken up, and then we'll put our pork chops back in. All right, once your sauce is reduced down, what you'll go ahead and do is mix it one more time, and you're gonna add a tablespoon of soy sauce to it. Do one final mixy mix. Once your final mix is done, go ahead and add your pork chops back in and any leftovers on the plate. Go ahead and turn them over a couple times in your sauce to coat them, and then you're going to go ahead and lather it on the top for about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, it's time to go in for a taste test. You can taste the garlic, the sweetness of the honey. It really ties together really well. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please comment below about this video. If you don't like this recipe, there's others to choose from. By sharing and liking, it lets the YouTube algorithm know that you've watched it and enjoyed it or not, but it increases the share chance with other people. I appreciate you stopping and spending your day with me, and I'll see you soon.